Welcome to our middle school introduction to the basics of science video series. At the end of this video, you'll be able to 1. Understand why graphs and charts are used. 2. Identify when the 4 types of graphs and charts discussed in this video are used. And lastly, identify the properties of graphs and charts. So I invite you to join Camilo Camargo and Kingsley Ogbonna as we explore together the basics behind drawing and creating good graphs and charts. Graphs and charts are ways scientists communicate information visually. In other words, a graph is a picture of your data. Scientists use graphs and charts to help people understand variables quickly. For this reason, and as you must have noticed, graphs are often used in newspapers, magazines, and businesses around the world. Here are 4 different types of graphs and charts: the bar chart, the pictograph, the line graph, and the pie chart. How do scientists know which one is appropriate to represent their data or information? Or better still, how do I choose which type of graph to use? A bar graph uses a bar to show data. Bar graphs are used to compare things between different groups or to track changes over time. Therefore, bar graphs show variables that are independent of each other. A pictograph is similar to a bar graph. A pictograph uses pictures or symbols to show data. On the other hand, a line graph uses points connected by lines to show data. Line graphs show you how variables have changed over time. They are used when you have data that are connected or to show trends. And lastly, a circle graph or pie chart uses a circle divided into fractions to show percentage or proportional data. Pie charts are good to display data for around 6 categories or fewer. Pie charts show you how a whole is divided into parts.